The most common extraction technique is to use electrical mortar and pestle kind of arrangement. However, in old days people used animals to operate the huge-sized mortar and pestle. The process of crushing or grinding seeds without using heat is known as cold pressing. In this process, seeds are crushed at low temperature so natural properties, antioxidants and essential oils are retained in the oil. A mechanical extractor operating at a high temperature is used to extract oil. Bleaching, distillation, steaming, purification, and hydrogenation are the processes they go through, resulting in an odorless product where all the nutrients are lost. As they retain the nutrients of their components and maintain their natural form, cold-pressed oils are rich in vital fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamin E, K, and C, and other beneficial fats including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Refined oils, on the other hand, promote inflammation and cause a number of health issues, including high cholesterol. Many chemicals are used during refining to remove impurities and produce an odorless, colorless final product. As no chemicals are used in the cold pressing process, the nutrients are preserved, making cold-pressed oils chemical-free. Additionally, they are free of preservatives. Cold-pressed oils are easy to digest and free of preservatives, which helps to maintain a healthy system. However, the addition of chemicals in refined oils to increase their shelf life affects the digestive system and results in gastroenteritis. Due to its high fiber content, flaxseed oil can be used to treat both diarrhea and constipation. It has been shown that the oil can assist people in increasing their bowel movements' frequency and consistency. Cold-pressed oils help our bodies produce more HDL, or good cholesterol, and work as carriers to help the body remove LDL, or bad cholesterol, which causes us to lose weight. Refined oils, however, do not leave any cholesterol in our bodies. The natural antioxidants in cold-pressed oil help reduce radical cell damage in your body. Cold-pressed oils are a rich source of oleic acid and lauric acid, which are great immune system booster. Studies claim that virgin oils heal conditions like epilepsy and enhance brain function. With properties like healing and anti-inflammation, cold-pressed oil helps in wound healing. The cold pressing process helps to retain anti-inflammatory properties. Cold-pressed oils are rich in antioxidants which help to reduce oxidative stress on the skin, thus reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Cold-pressed oils are a rich source of vitamins like A and E, which helps to moisturize and nourish your skin. Cold-pressed oils with nourishing qualities, such as coconut, almond, or olive oil, can assist to feed your scalp and lessen hair issues like hair loss. Cold-pressed oils are nourishing for your hair from root to tip and are light enough to be easily absorbed by the scalp. It is abundant in vitamins A and E, which encourage hair growth and adds shine to your hair. Consumption of cold-pressed oils can protect the heart by reducing bad cholesterol and blood pressure levels. This reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Whereas intake of refined oils in everyday diet can increase the risk of strokes and heart attack significantly. Cold-pressed oils are suitable for food prepared in medium to low heat. They have low smoking points, whereas refined oils are preferred for preparing meals at high temperatures, due to their high smoking points. These were the top 10 benefits of cold-pressed oils. I hope those are helpful, and you will consider them taking the right decision for your healthy life. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content.